There you have it. Eggs with tomato in a nice sweet and sour sauce. Enjoy. You can use 3 or 4 eggs in this recipe. So just gonna beat the eggs. So first you just preheat your pan at medium to medium high heat. I'm going to put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. I use peanut oil. So give the eggs a final beating before I put them in. So just let the eggs form a bit. So this technique is called a tornado. So what you do is just use chopsticks. In my case I use chopsticks just to stir them so you get really fluffy looking eggs. Use this egg for your recipe for tomato and egg. So now I'm going to put a tablespoon of chopped ginger and chopped garlic. So it's actually a teaspoon of chopped ginger and a teaspoon of chopped garlic. So I got the pan going at about a medium to medium high. So now I'm going to put the tomatoes down. I just cut up 2 tomatoes here. Light soy sauce. So this is the light soy sauce, a regular soy sauce I call it. Put about a tablespoon or 2 in there. I like to put a little sesame oil. If you don't have it, that's okay. Sesame oil gives a good nice fragrance and also a nice taste. So put about a half teaspoon in there. So this is a fruity type of black vinegar. So this brand is kind of light taste. Some other ones are more heavy taste. This one has, I think it's plums in it. So I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons in there. So put more vinegar if you like it more sour, or less vinegar if you like it less sour. And I also like to put a bit of this apple cider vinegar. For some reason I like it, so I put it in my sweet and sour sauces too. So put a tablespoon in there. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. So try it without, you don't have to have all the ingredients, so just try whatever you have. It'll still taste pretty good, but sometimes you experiment with it. I go 1-to-1 ratio with the sugar and the vinegar. So today I'm just going to go 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. So if you want to go more sour, put less sugar. So I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons. So it'll be slightly more sour than sweet. Tablespoon of this oyster flavor sauce, just because I like oyster flavor sauce. I always put it almost everything. So put a tablespoon or 2 in there. Keep in mind a 1/4 cup of water in there, because you want more sauce, put more water. But for me, I'm not gonna get it too much sauce. 1/4 cup would do. So bring that to a boil. So here I have 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and about 3 tablespoons of water. So you just want to thicken the sauce. So add more cornstarch solution if you want it thicker. But for me, I think this is all right. When you add cornstarch with water, it will thicken the sauce. So you see it's nicely thickened, but not too thick. So now we're just going to add some green onions for color. Just going to add a handful here. You can chop them up real fine, or add it like 1-inch pieces like this. And then I also have this egg, which I cut up into pieces here. So I'm just going to add that on. You don't want the eggs to overcook. So now we're just going to take it off and serve this. Ooh, that's good now. That's good now. Found some green onions, so just put some on top. It's got some extra color here. There you have it. Egg and tomato stir fry with sweet and sour sauce. Enjoy. Wow. That's really simple and delicious. You gotta try this. My video, please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.